Are you looking for a home on the Sunshine Coast? I'm Tara Sullivan with Remax City Realty, and I want to introduce you to this beautiful listing that just came on the market.
Today, we're walking through 7716 Redrooffs Road in Halfmoon Bay, BC. Sitting on a sun-drenched half-acre, this 1,929 square foot home has the perfect backyard for sunny summer days. A cedar pergola provides a beautiful shaded sitting area as well as a hot tub. Outbuildings like a barn and a double garage are ideal for hobbies or storage. Inside, you'll find a living room with a fireplace and a fully renovated kitchen. Sliding glass doors open to your second-story deck. The local community grocery store is just 700 meters away, and nearby Halfmoon Bay Elementary School serves students from kindergarten to grade 7. Sargeant Bay Provincial Park is a 15-minute walk from home. This day-use park is a Sunshine Coast favorite for hiking, swimming, and exploring. Let's go back to the house and take a tour of 7716 Redrooffs Road in Halfmoon Bay. Crossing the front yard, we enter the lower level using the front door. To the left of the hall closet is a living room that's currently being used as a home gym. Here we find the first of the home's 2 fireplaces. A door connects us to the flex room that acts as the 3rd bedroom. Underfoot are laminate floors. A second door leads to the laundry/mudroom. The door on the right opens to covered parking, and in front of us is the first of 2 washrooms. This 3-piece has some extra storage space as well as a tiled shower and a large vanity. Walking back through the mudroom, we come to a flight of stairs that lead up to the 2nd level. Upstairs and to our right is the 2nd living room. This large space has laminate floors, another fireplace, and 3 south-facing windows. Turning around, we head to the renovated kitchen and its 2nd-story deck that overlooks the beautiful front yard. Back inside, we get a second look at the eat-in kitchen with its tiled backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and tiled floors. Leaving the kitchen and turning right brings us to the 2nd full washroom. There's a big vanity with lots of storage and a shower/tub combo with a good-sized window. Our next stop is the master bedroom. There are laminate floors, a closet, and a backyard-facing window. Across the hall is the final bedroom. Like the master, there are laminate floors, a big window, and a closet. To the rear of the home is a sunroom that opens to the backyard and to the hot tub. Stepping outside, we see the large cedar pergola with its wood stove and flowering wisteria vine. This is also where we discover the hot tub. The patio also has an outdoor cooking station that's excellent for entertaining. Leaving the patio and exploring the huge yard, we see there's a deer-proof garden on our right, and to our left is the double-car garage. A large gate allows for vehicle access to the yard and garage. Directly next door is a standalone studio, and the biggest structure in the yard is a barn with a loft. Use the barn as a covered workspace or to store yard equipment or even a boat. To our right is a small workshop, and the very back of the backyard is a forested space. We turn around and see the steps that lead up to the barn's loft. This home gives new meaning to staycations. The backyard gets tons of sunshine, and you'll feel like you're on holidays each time you use the covered patio and hot tub. 7716 Redrooffs Road is close to shopping, schools, and a provincial park. It'd make a great family home or a summer getaway. Call Tara today and ask to see it in person.
For more information on this home or any other, call me, Tara Sullivan, at 604-989-2577, or find me online at tarasullivan.ca.